In the stillness of the river, our ancestors whisper. They do not die. They become the rustle in the trees, the rhythm in the drums, the light that flickers through the smoke of sacred fires. They become the prayers poured into water, the footsteps that guide us when the road bends. They are not gone. They have only changed form, from flesh to spirit, from silence to strength. Holding the Ophor, the sacred staff of truth and justice, they speak for us. Calling forth protection in the battles we do not see. Summoning prosperity in the paths we walk with faith. Awakening purpose in our bones and breath. When we gather at the river, we do not come alone. We come with the memory of those who came before us, with the voices of our bloodline echoing in our ears, and the blessings of those who knew the land before it had a name. We are not lost people. We are guided. We are rooted. We are chosen. Let us never forget where we come from, and may we never lose ourselves in search of ourselves.